Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to set up custom subdomain on Hostinger. So first of all, go ahead and choose a hosting plan. Okay, if you want to buy a subscription or premium, please go to the link in the description box to buy your plan with a significant discount depending on your needs. Now, what you're gonna do, if you want to create a subdomain, once you bought a plan, register a new domain via hPanel. If you have already one from another domain, register, and make sure you point your main domain to a hosting or name servers. After that, log in to hPanel dashboard, navigate to the website, and then click dashboard next to your domain name, and you're gonna see this is your domain. And then go to the domains and then click subdomains from the left sidebar. You're gonna find it from the left sidebar. Enter your intended subdomain and then tick the custom folder for subdomain box if you want to create a separate directory for your subdomain. You can see it, right? And then create your subdomain and then select the subdomain blog, let's say for example, and custom folder for subdomain, and then enter the domain which is your domain actually, and then click create at the bottom right here if you finished, and that's it. Your new domain will appear under the list of current subdomains section. Note that you may have to wait up to 24 hours for DNS updates to finish before your subdomain starts working. Okay, next, install the platform that you want to use in your subdomain. For this tutorial, we will install WordPress using hPanel, right? And then access WordPress overview, and then from the left menu, choose the new subdomain from the drop down menu on the left and the top right side of your screen, and then install the latest version of WordPress to your subdomain. Okay, and then basically you're gonna go ahead and click right here the blog .affiliate/marketing.me, right? And you're gonna select the blog, right, and fill in the website credentials for your subdomain. Open the advanced drop down to select the installation path and create a new database, and then go ahead, enter website credentials, username, and then strong password, and then click the advanced, and as we said before, the installation path and all that. And once you've filled that out, just go ahead, click next, and then choose the preferred WordPress version, language, or PHP version, and update your schedule, and then click install, and you're good to go. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.